Hello, this is a brief tutorial on the reservation process for Kingdom BnB. So your customer will locate your listing in Kingdom BnB website. They will click on the Full Details tab, which will take them to the details on your listing. It'll have your rates, it'll have a description of your property, it'll have your availability calendar, and as they scroll down further, they will complete this booking form, and this is where they will select the dates that they want to stay and provide the information that you need for their reservation. If you selected the payment method as PayPal or Stripe and you do require a deposit for the stay, they will be redirected if they choose PayPal or Stripe to the payments page so that they can submit that deposit. You also have an option of cash payments, but this is an offline payment, and so it will not automatically confirm your reservation until you manually confirm that you did receive that payment. But you do have the option of selecting Cash App or Zelle as cash payments. Keep in mind that you would have to provide additional details to your customer as to how they can go about submitting this. So for example, if you choose Cash App, they would need your Cash App ID in order for them to locate you to send a payment. And if you choose Zelle, you would have to provide the information that they would need in order to send a Zelle payment. Once they hit the submit or send request, they will receive an email such as this one. And the email will have the customer name, it will have the reservation number, it'll have the dates that they have reserved, and if you have this in your email notification, the check-in time and the checkout time, that will be included as well. It'll have the total amount of their rental, and it'll have the method of payment that they selected. If there is a balance due and you have not selected that they must pay the full amount at the time of booking, and you've set the specific dates as to when the full amount will be due, the customer will receive another email prior to their arrival, letting them know that their vacation balance is now due. It'll have, again, the customer name and email address. It'll have the dates that they have booked. It'll have the total cost of their rental with the security deposit, and if they have made a deposit already, it'll have the amount that they've paid, and then it'll say how much is currently due. It also will provide them a link to your payments page so that they can go there and make the final payment in order to confirm their reservation. Also, if they have chosen a cash payment such as Cash App or Zelle, they will not get a link because that is an external payment, so you would have to provide the information for them as to how they can submit that payment. Now, to manually confirm a reservation within your dashboard, you will go to your reservations page. You will, this is how your reservation page will look. All of the payments that are made by PayPal or Stripe will automatically confirm once the deposit or payment is made. However, when you have cash payments as one of your options and someone selects that they will do a cash payment, it will show as pending in your system, and it will not it will not revert to confirm until you manually do so. So to manually do so, you'll come in, you'll choose the reservation. You'll go ahead and click on the edit pencil icon, which will bring you inside of the reservation. It has the reservation dates, and then this is where you would update the status. So once you've received that cash payment, you would come in, you would click on confirm, and then you would make sure that you save it so that it also blocks those dates on your calendar. Keep in mind that pending reservations do not block the dates on your calendar, so someone can reserve those dates again, and so you want to make sure that you follow through and confirm your reservations to avoid any double bookings. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.